Warning, this challenge is not for the weak. Do not attempt this challenge alone.
Oh my god.
You gotta pray.
What's up, guys? So today I'm going to do the Paqui Hot Chip Challenge. It's the 2022 Hot Chip Challenge. And yeah, this one's going to shock you. It's going to turn your face blue. So let's give it a shot. It looks like inside. And it's a whole chip. It's just one chip. It's one whole chip. And here's the instructions. Real peppers, real heat. How long can you last? 1 minute is powerless. 10 minutes is powerful. 30 minutes is supercharged. And 1 hour is invincible. I don't know who's done an hour. Oh my god. You know, like my sound salad, the one that I bought from San Diego? It smells like that. And 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty hot. Wow, I'm really mad.
No pain. Oh, wait.
How you feel?
My eyes are watering now.
You want milk? Yeah?
It burns so much. Ooh.
Are you sweaty?
Yeah. Yeah.
Say hot.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god.
You gotta pray.
Now a word from our sponsors, Paqui, the hot tasting chip, the 2022 challenge. It'll shock you. So far I'm at 13 minutes. But yeah. Oh my god, this thing. Give me a headache, dude. Just right here. Give me bucket the Rubik's Cube. Give me something to do. Alright, throw it. 12 minutes. Minutes. 25 minutes. Shit. Paqui Hot Chip Challenge. 2022 Hot Chip Challenge. Outside 30 minutes. Brought to you by Paqui, the Hot Chip Challenge. Brought to you by Paqui.
What the fuck?
Alright, so aftermath. I threw up a little bit. I threw up a lot, actually. It's just like as soon as it like gets to your inner intestines, it starts to burn, and it starts to burn everything along the way, and it's just, oh my god, it was horrible, and I don't want anyone to feel that ever like they did. It'll bring a grown man to his knees, like. And yeah, that's it. So that was the one chip challenge. I'm never gonna do that again. Fuck that shit. No. So see you guys in the next video, and lates.